Meet 22-year-old Jan and his donkey. Without his donkey, Jan would not be able to play a vital role, and he would be unable to earn a living in one of the world's most highly populated cities. The city of Karachi in Pakistan generates more than 12,000 tons of rubbish every day. Some of this waste is discarded in landfills, but 40% remains on the streets. Every morning, Jan leaves home along with his younger brother and their donkey to head for the city. They collect rubbish from around 200 houses, shops, offices and streets. On average, they collect between 200 to 450 kilograms per day.
اول به زکه بیا به پیسې ستاته بڑاویږي دونه پیسې درکې بیا به دا رقم
18 to 20,000 animals are involved in collecting rubbish. With population growth, poverty and unemployment, the city's rubbish problem is serious. Poor management of rubbish is spreading disease and is a major cause of environmental pollution. Brooke carried out research in Karachi to assess the health and welfare needs of the donkeys. We're now using this to advocate for help and resources for their owners. Donkeys play important roles all over the world, not just by creating income for families in need, but by enabling communities to thrive and play important roles in everyday life.